We're an architectural studio, Kera from Tbilisi. I'm Kote, Beka and Sandro. We formed this practice back in 2018 and choose to have a focus mainly on the traditional Georgian architecture, the history and the heritage we have. This is our first experience working in the indoor space, in the gallery, because mainly we are practicing architects. We decided to sum up our whole practice in a more poetic way. So basically we are speaking about Georgian traditional architecture that is slowly fading away. We managed to do it in the dialogue of the problem of the fireflies, the species that are on the brink of extinction. And the main reason of their extinction is the light pollution that human civilization is producing in the environment. We tried to create this conflict between two different sequences of light. One is more serene and calm as you see it and static, while another industrial spotlight as the antagonist of this dramaturgy interrupts this slow serene light of the wax houses or the fireflies as you wish. So yeah, that's basically is the main topic of the exhibition, and which we think that sums up in our whole practice and what we are working on.